What's going on, guys? Just an amendment to the prior video about this 2000s AC30 CC1 good old Vox that had an issue with the input jack board where the amp took a backward spill and fell onto a plugged-in 1/4-inch cable and also to a populated IEC jack, which caused some chassis damage. So the player did inform me that he needed the amp back in 24 hours so he can embark on a 3-state tour, which basically means I need to get this thing back to him tonight. So in the absence of any PC mounted jacks that would accommodate this particular layout, I did have some cliff style jacks that had traditional solder lugs on it, solder lugs on them. So after trying a few things out, I came up with a solution to get him through. And he said, yeah, just do that. And if I get any issues when I get back, then go ahead and order the correct part for it. So this is to be looked at as a Band-Aid to get this guy through about a dozen or so gigs. He promised me he'd be ginger with it. And to be completely frank with you, I think this is gonna last a long time. So what did I do? So I bent in the legs. Well, rather, here's the correct part without the broken barrel. So I did find some jacks in my inventory that had solder lugs on the bottom. So I bent those in, you could see them there. And I trimmed on one side so they wouldn't connect, even though it doesn't really matter all that much. Except on the tip side. And I ran a length of 20 gauge bus wire through the bottom. I'm gonna trim these up, obviously. And sure enough, look at that. These mount right up. Now all I have to do is connect them to the little solder blobs that I laid in here. Let me get this thing stabilized so you guys don't get seasick on me. Jump in here. But take a look. How cool is that? So I'm just gonna bend these over and melt the little blob of solder around these leads here, and then we're gonna be in business. We've got the same torsional strength against like torque caused separation from the circuit board as we did with the actual jacks that came with the board. And this should be a very reliable solution. Should be a very reliable solution, rather, if I said that wrong. But I'll let you guys know how it turns out. If not, then you know, I told the guy, hey, we're gonna have to wait 2 days for express shipping. So, and we don't have that kind of time. So this is what you can do in a pinch, and actually longer than a pinch. So you guys take it easy. Bye-bye.